Okay, and welcome to Cortijo, Desmondo, and this is an interesting lakeview property. She's got automated sliding gates there, nice entrance, and this has got a 6,000 square metre plot, whereby you've got a large olive grove behind the property, all nicely walled at the front, and it's one level. Okay, so it's one level, currently 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We got some storage casitas, just two storage sheds there, nicely tucked away, and then that road leads up into the olive grove. Okay, this is all fully fenced. Okay, and there's also you can see where the soil has been moved. A French drain has been put in right at the back there for when it does rain, obviously to direct the waters away from the property. Okay, so it's quite, at the moment, quite basic property. It's kind of 20 plus years old, but essentially looks you know, basic from the outside, but huge potential, I would say. Got a big carport here, probably for 2 or 3 vehicles. Obviously a shaded area. You've got lights and electrics access just there on the wall, and then here they dug out a huge area whereby you've got a workshop just in that door there. I'll show you, but they've gained like another kind of 5 meters of terracing around the house and put in a proper retaining wall. Okay, so this is the work shed. Okay, like every work shed, it's packed full of stuff and very useful for secure storage. You can just see the posts at the back there. That's the boundary that literally goes off on a diagonal up that way. Okay, so we're going to go around the front. There's big terraces all the way around this property. Okay, ample parking for a number of cars, some established trees, fig tree there, and then here we come onto the front, whereby you have the lake view. Okay, so nothing can be built in front. Got Mount Maroma there to the left, Lake Vinwella, and pretty much southeast facing. Okay, so there is the front door officially, but the current owners have never used it. So there is a big opportunity to open that out. That comes off the lounge, but I'll explain when we go through. Yeah, here is a lower entrance. Okay, you got a wooden door there. There's the pump room for the pool. Okay, this is a resin pool. This was recommended by the architect some years ago because of the soil here, and they've had no problems with it at all. Okay, so it's been a great idea. Got some lovely stone walls built in, a lot of hard landscaping. Okay, these are the patio doors off 2 of the front bedrooms, basically. Okay, so they've got nice access onto the pool and terrace. So there you got a kidney shaped pool with the steps on the side there. Nice little drinks table and a big terrace. Okay, it's got drainage all in. You've got water deposits just there as well, which is 6,000 litres of stored water. But look at that. Okay, now then, this property has just been lowered in price significantly. Okay, it was listed with other agents for 399,000 euros. We are listing at 345. Okay, it's just to reflect really the kind of age of the property and perhaps certain upgrades. There's a little damp issues which need addressing. Okay, so it's there to reflect that. But yeah, you've got a prime position, very good access, very quiet, no road noise, huge terraces, lots of parking, 4 bedroom, workshop, utility room, separate kitchen, all on one level. This is an interesting property. Okay, so with a little bit of tweaking, I'll tell you now, this has got huge potential. Okay, so we're going to go through the kitchen, okay, which is the main door that the current owners use. They've been living here full time for I think over 16 or 18 years. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so inside. So this is the kind of utility room, hobby room actually, whereby you've got services there, water, washing machine, more fridges. Okay, plenty of fridges in this property. Lots of storage behind those units on that wall. Okay, and then into a nice kitchen. Okay, so this has got granite tops, it's got plenty of unit space, beautiful views. Again, it's good size, the tiles are nice and light, plenty of fridges. There's a gas hob there with electric oven. Okay, and then they've got these beautiful traditional Spanish doors all the way throughout. It was owned originally by a Spanish family, and yeah, essentially the current owners have reformed and added certain parts over the years. But yeah, this is a big lounge diner. Okay, so obviously you've got your dining area, got the brick pillars there, open fire at the back. What it needs is a bit of further light coming in. There's the door that I mentioned that has never been used, so that needs to be opened up, and perhaps, you know, some nice glass doors put in. You've got air conditioning in as well. There's two different seating areas. That's number one around the fire, and then number two. Okay, so there's two bedrooms at the back of the property through here. So we've got access here. Okay, that goes up onto that back terrace and carport. So this could become separate accommodation essentially. So this is the smallest bedroom. Again, you've got electric oil radiators. The bathrooms, again, fair size. They're two wet rooms actually. So you've got the overhead shower there, wet rooms, sink. Further storage down this corridor. Loads of storage actually with this property. Okay, bedroom number two. So again, there you can see that's the issue with the damp, so that needs to be addressed. But like I say, the owners are willing to take an offer within reason, given their current reduction in price from $399. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. Okay, so these are the two bedrooms with the patio doors leading out. You've got air conditioning in as well. An ensuite wet room. Again, they probably need upgrading, but the main thing is all of the basics are here. Okay, so to find a one-level property with this amount of flat area around the house itself and around the pool is very rare. Okay, so they use this as a kind of front room, kind of conservatory, but it is really the fourth bedroom. And there you got access straight out onto your terrace and your pool and your view. Okay, so if you'd like further details on this rather interesting property, this is Cortijo, Desmondo, please contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view the website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.